property manager, because you know what most people say about real estate. They go, oh, well, my payment is $4,000 a month, and I'm collecting $6,000 in
Dude,
rent.
I'm right here.
Translation, they're probably losing money.
Oh, yeah.
What the f***?
And I definitely understand that.
What the f***?
I love what you talk about, you know, and the idea of investing in other areas and out of state where the margins are better and you can get better cap rates and you can buy cash. You know, I can take this cash and invest it elsewhere, but...
Are you f***ing blind? I was right here. Okay, a lot of you must be wondering how something like this could have happened, and why would I title my video this way? Well, first of all, let's take a look at the side view mirror. It is broken. You can see it's facing inward toward the car, and you can tell by the reflection on the window is that it's cracked in several places. Obviously, you should not be driving a car with a busted mirror like this, because things like what just happen. Second of all, you don't really need a mirror. All that she would have to do is look behind her at the 4 or 5 o'clock position, and she could see my big-ass van right beside her. You could see her head turn slightly as she was starting to merge, but I think that was just more of a reaction of my horn going off. And third of all, I'll play this clip again at full speed. You can see that she only gave her right turn signal maybe 1 or 2 clicks before she started to move over. I could not see the turn signal because I was so close that my A-pillar blocked the view of her view. I had no clue she was wanting to do that. If she left it on for a couple seconds longer and then merged, I would have saw it and gave her room. If you live in the Waterbury area and you know this driver, please take her keys away and make sure she fixes her car, but that's not going to fix anything now, will she? She didn't even frickin' look. Have a great day, everybody.